Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to my channel. A couple of months ago, I upgraded my factory stereo system in my 2009 Honda Civic with an Android Multimedia player with Apple CarPlay. The stereo system is by a company called Idoing. I also installed the same multimedia player in my 2007 Honda Element and added a backup camera. If you want to watch the installation videos on these, I'll put a link in the description. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the multimedia player in the Civic and the Element. Let's get started with the Honda Civic. This is the multimedia player that's in the Civic. What I really like about this, it looks like it belongs here. It looks like it's factory. This is a plug and play unit, meaning it came with this bezel and it came with all the connectors to just plug it in and play it. What else I like about this unit is some of the units on cheaper models, I've read that they freeze up or they're really slow. This one is not slow. It's fast, it's quick, and it hasn't frozen up on me yet. And that's been a couple months. I would definitely suggest putting one of these Android units in your car. Let's go over to the Honda Element and dig deeper into this settings. All right, so I've got my iPhone and it's actually hooked up to the USB for Apple CarPlay. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the key. And this is how it starts up. Bam. So we're on. So now everything on here is on here. So I'm going to set my phone down, or actually I can just set it right here. And I can cruise right around there. I've got my map, wherever I want to go. Text messages. And then I can always go back home. I've got Chrome, so I can search places. Amazon. No internet, so let's connect to the internet. So to connect to the internet, I go to settings. I go to Wi-Fi. There's two saved networks. One's my iPhone and the other one is my Wi-Fi connection. So I'm just going to connect. It's connected. Signal strength is good. I'm going to back up. Go back home. Come here. Go back to Google Chrome. And I can go to espn.com or surf the internet, do whatever I want. Let me go back to home, back here. There's the Google Play Store, so now I can go look at some apps. Let's go back home, go back here. So this would be the stereo. I can set it up however I want to. I'm not going to mess with it because I've got it set up just the way I want it right now. I'm going to actually take that off right now though. Let's go back to home. Let's go back to YouTube. So if I want to go to YouTube, I can go to YouTube. And I can search. There's the search button up there. Let's go to Danny's DIY Garage. There we are. Here's my videos. let's go ahead and just play one. Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to another video. Have you ever been driving down the road and your air conditioner is working great? Let's go ahead and go back. Then you come to a stop and the AC starts blowing warmer. This could be caused by your fans. I'm going to go shut that off. Let's go back. Let's see what else we got here. So here's your settings right here. So if you need to change anything, it's going to be all right here. The most important thing here is going to be, go to the common and key to learn. This is where you're going to set up your steering wheel controls right there. And it's really easy. You just push the button and then set it up this way and then save the settings and you're done. So that's as easy as that. And the volume, and then I can do this on my steering wheel controls also. Music, I've got music. Let's go back to YouTube. Google voice search. I've got GPS so I can see which GPS antennas are working. Go back home. And then this is the Torqued app. So I was never able to get the OBD2 working for some reason, so I just didn't put it in. Wasn't that big of a deal, but I mean, I know people get it working. I don't know if I've got a bad interface or what, but I was never able to get that working. So I just didn't use it. Let's go back home. Let's go back to the apps. Zlink, this is how you link your phone if you're using Bluetooth. Right now I'm using the cable. You could even watch Netflix on here. I'm not sure if my Netflix is hooked up or not. I don't want to update right now. So get started. Yeah, I don't have my password in here, so I haven't done that yet. And then, you know, music, and then File Explorer. If I wanted to hook up a USB, it would look up them files and I can look at them files. And then back. Got my FM radio, AM radio. Let's turn that down. Videos. This video kind of came with it. You can put your own videos in there. There's our time, and then we also have time in the 12-hour form right here. There's our volume. There's Google Maps. If you wanted to use Google Maps instead of your iPhone apps, you can do that. And then here's our compass. It would tell you the speed I'm going, how long the unit's been on, kilometers, your location, altitude, longitude. There's a compass. There's our radio. There's some Bluetooth, stereo. Let's go back here. And then we're going to connect to Zlink. So here's the maps I use. It's just my Apple iPhone. There's my text messages again. I can even make phone calls if I want. So There it is. And then I can go to my contacts. Here's all my contacts in here. I can dial, or I can go to recent. I can read my voicemails. And then here's my calendar. I can go to my calendar. I got no events today. And then music. I can use the music that's on my phone and listen to that. Endless possibilities. So I've been loving this unit. Everything seems to work great. I definitely recommend it. I've really had no problems with it. Once in a while, when I turn it on, it's static, but if I turn it off and then turn it back on, it goes away. Or if I go through the modes, it'll get rid of it. So I don't know if it's a me problem or a unit problem, but it's probably something I did and not the unit. So I have this same unit in my Honda Element, and I have it in my Honda Civic, and I'm really happy with it. So I can search. Oh, also, did I show you this? So settings, go to Wi-Fi, so I can connect to my iPhone. So if I'm on the road, I can connect to my iPhone. So another thing that I really love is the backup camera. So there's my backup camera, and it works really good. Right now I'm in the garage, and this is my driveway. A couple of final notes. The customer support has been great. However, because of the time difference from China and the US, it usually takes about 1 day depending on when I send that email. However, they've always gotten back to me and answered my question. My unit doesn't lag or freeze, so I've read this on the internet with cheaper multimedia players. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.